What's good, y'all? You know it's your boy Pain63 back out for another video. We got another Jordan unboxing. But as you can tell by the box, some of you may know, some of you may not already know. But y'all probably already know from the title of the video. We got the Air Jordan 6 UNC. I ain't gonna lie, once I saw those pictures of these things, I wanted them, bro. This is not my pair, this is just the early pair I got. I'm waiting for the Foot Locker ones, but before we get to unboxing video, I have to let y'all know. You remember when sneakers did that shock drop of the shoe? Well, it's being reported around that they're actually not releasing the shoe on the release day on Sneakers app anymore, and that the shock drop released all the pairs. I don't know if it was just like a mistake by someone, or if sneakers just intended to do that. Apparently there are no more pairs, but y'all know shoes don't really run out. We'll probably have like a Jordan reserve in like a month or two, and they'll probably be on there. But they are not releasing on sneakers. If you check the sneakers app, you don't see them on upcoming. So that's all. That's all it is. You just have to try on Foot Locker and other foot sites. But either way, let's stop talking about sneakers. Let's get into this unboxing. As you can see, you got this baby blue box with Jumpman on it, white Jumpman. Let's go to the tag. This is a size 8. If you see my other videos, you know damn well I am not a size 8. I'm a 10.5. Yeah, look at this. You got University blue, white, black, 8, size 8. And one thing that is missing is the suggested retail tag. Seems like they took that off. Don't know why. Probably should watch some other video to do that. Got the back of the box. Got the bottom of the box. Anyway, now let's stop looking at the box and let's open this up. Got the paper. Yo, this John is fire. Look at the University blue. Got a black Jumpman right there. University blue, lady white. Yo, we got this new Buck suede. These joints are fire. These are literally the Carmine 6s, just University blue. I do like the tongue though. The tongue is cool. It's a little bit. It's not really clear, but it looks like it should be. It's clear, but like it's not like clear through. Like as you can see, there's sock liner in the back. So, icy blue sole, University blue Jumpman. We go to the back, we got the special edition tag, quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. I really wish they put a Nike Air tag on it. I do like the Nike Air. Like really, when it comes to rank, I don't really like the Jordan Air on like any of the shoes. Like I like the special tags. I know some people don't like it. It really goes like my order is 1 Nike Air tag, 2 the special tag, and 3 the Jumpman Air tag. These joints is fire. This is like a navy blue lace lock. It's not black, navy blue, white Jumpman. Look inside. This shoe is for sale, so I can't be doing like too much with it. It has to look dead stock. But if you do look inside, there's like a little pattern on there. Like the pattern you see on the tongue, it's laid right on the insole. Black sock liner, very soft. I do like this joint is fire though. Yeah, I really hope I can get my pair off Foot Locker. That's the only place I actually entered. Damn. I really want these. Yeah, let me take out the other pair. Yeah, we got both pairs out. These things are, are crazy, bro. If you don't cop, that's a fail on you. This joint is just fire. And you know, UNC, University of North Carolina. You know, that's a pretty good school, and it's a hyped up one. Like we all love the UNC colors. The only UNC shoe that really like threw me off were those 4s that came out last year. I was not vibing with those. That's my personal opinion. These are crazy. Hopefully I can get a pair in my size. I do want these in the collection. I hope everyone watching the video is able to get the pair they want. You get their own pair. If you do want the shoe, these are fire, and I don't want y'all to miss out on them. Yeah, oh my god, I need these. Like heavy. Either way, I hope you'll like the video. Like, comment, subscribe for more content. I'll try to bring more sneaker content as time goes. Hopefully I can get more early pairs, and I hope you like the video. Catch y'all next time on Pain XD3. Peace.
Yeah, top of the morning, I know that you thought I was dormant. Woke up early from shots that was swarming the block from the outside, the cops in the orbit. Cause somebody got popped, now they knocking on doors trying to find an informant, but I ain't seen